Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I cook my sticky rice that I'll be using for sticky rice balls or any other dish that I'll be needing it for. So without further ado, come with me, let's dive into it. So guys, I'm going to take you through to the things I'll be needing to cook the rice. So definitely we'll need our rice. When you go to get your rice, you have to see, let me try to see if I can focus it to the camera. It must be written glutinous. I don't know if you can get it. Let me try and see if I can focus it well. This is a white glutinous rice. It must be glutinous. It means sticky rice. That's the rice I'm using. I got this from a Chinese shop here in Antwerp, Belgium. So you can find this rice definitely everywhere, I think. So it must be written glutinous rice. So that's the rice I'll be going in with. Definitely you will be needing also a steaming pot. This is the one I have. This is the pot I have. This is how it looks inside. This is the pot I'm using. If you don't have a steaming pot, you can also use a steaming basket, which I don't have here, but you can also go with this. This is also perfect. It can help you. A bigger pot. We just need something that the heat can pass through to your rice. You can use this if you have a circular one or this shape. It doesn't matter. You can use this if you have with a regular pot. You will definitely be using a steaming cloth. This is what I have. This is natural fiber, and this is a cloth specifically reserved only for food items, for steaming or cooking of anything. This cloth, this is what I'm going to be using. These are the items you definitely need for steaming your rice. It's very, very important. And then we are going to go ahead and wash this rice to remove all the starch that is there. It needs thorough washing. Properly, it should be properly washed. If not, when you prepare it, you start having that mushy texture, which we don't want. We still want our rice to be soft, nice, a little bit grainy, not mushy. So let me show you how I do the washing. So guys, we'll be washing our rice to remove any starch from it. Just look at it, how much starch is in that rice. So we're just going to wash it to remove the starch. So guys, we are done washing our rice. There are two ways to this process now. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my camera. There are two ways to this process. You can decide to steep the rice, to soak the rice with cold water and allow it for 3 hours before you steam it, or if you're so much in a haste, you can boil water and put into the rice and allow it to stand for like 10 minutes before you boil it. This is so that this rice, when it's cooked, it should not be too dry. It should have a little bit of moisture in it. We want to have it for a whole day, still moist and nice, not too dry. So that's what we are going to do now. We're just going to steep it, and I'm going to steep mine for 3 hours and allow it before I start boiling it. So guys, this is our rice after 3 hours that it has been in water. I'm going to drain it and I'm going to cook it now. So I'm draining the water out of the rice. So I'm going to take my steaming cloth and I'm going to wet it. I'm going to wet it. It should be moist. So since it's a kilo of rice, I'm going to be needing a lot of the cloth to steam it with. And the reason why I'm wetting the cloth is so that when the rice gets ready, it shouldn't stick to the cloth. It should be able to come out easily. When it's a dry cloth, then your rice is going to be tacky. It's going to stick it to the cloth, and we don't want that. So I'm going to put my rice here like so. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. We still want our rice to be flavorful. And I'm going in with a little bit of pepper and black pepper. Let me get something, guys. I'm just going to stir this a little bit to get some salt into the rice. For those who do not like salt, you can still do it this way depending on what you want to eat it with. But I just want my rice to be flavorful. So yeah guys, this is it. Let's go and boil and steam this rice till it's ready. Let's go and steam till it's ready, guys. It's all set to go. So guys, this is we're going to steam the rice now to cook it. We're going to cook it, but it's going to be, this is our pot of water that we have, and this is the amount of water I have inside. It's already boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to now put it on the fire. and we are going to be doing we are going to be cooking this for first 15 minutes, and then we'll come and check to see the consistency or see if it's ready. So, and then if it's not ready, then we'll continue every 5 minutes to check. So guys, we are going to allow it for the first 15 minutes to cook. So guys, this is 10 minutes later. Let's check our rice and see how it is. Oh guys, just look at this. Look at the rice. It's sticky and it's perfectly cooked. This is how it looks, guys. Look at how sticky that rice is. We're going to take this off from the fire, and our rice is ready. So guys, this is our sticky rice. It's all ready. Just look at how sticky that thing is. Just look at it. And guys, if you want to see what I use this cooked sticky rice to do with, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.